When I Googled it, it came up on Yelp as one of the top places for old fashions in Virginia Beach. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we're coming to you again from Virginia Beach, Virginia. And today we're at Repeal Bourbon and Burgers. It has bourbon in the name, so that's point one why we had to stop. Point two, I got multiple DMs from people when they saw I was coming to Virginia Beach. They said you have to go to Repeal. And number three, what the f was number three? Three, when I Googled it, it came up on Yelp as one of the top places for old fashions in Virginia Beach. Located at 202 22nd Street. 202 22nd Street. Reminds me of that Rick Ross song, 222, 222, some 222, we in room 222. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance, the entire restaurant. Jump right into appearance. Huge glass, big fan. Luxardo cherry, huge fan. Orange peel, big fan. Single cube, huge fan. Not the clear ice, nonetheless, still single cube, which is clutch. I think there's some muddled orange in here. Not sure if that's gonna be a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find that out whenever we jump into the first taste. But I mean, minus no clear ice, this is kind of as good as it gets. We'll go 2.8, and then first sip. Very good, very smooth. I wasn't sure how the muddled orange was gonna blend or taste. I don't mind it. I'm not saying I love it, but I don't mind it. First sip, we'll go 2.7, and then as we drink the entire rest of the cocktail, we'll talk about Repeal as a whole. Again, one of the top places rated on Yelp and Google in Virginia Beach. Multiple people recommended it to me, not only for the bourbon, but also for the food. As people were walking by the restaurant, as I was setting this up today, people were like, is this Repeal? Is this Repeal? And then as soon as they found out, they walked in. So obviously has a great reputation here in Virginia Beach, which is amazing. Inside is nice, not the biggest place. Outside patio, nice. Nobody's out here, which is great. So I can just film whatever. Overall appearance of the entire establishment is great. We'll go 0.9 on that, and then we'll jump right into overall taste. You know what? Is this clear ice? No, it's not. I had to pull it out. It almost looks like it's clear ice, but there's a small cloud in there. But that's as close to clear ice. That's not clear ice as you can get right there, brother. Went down like water. Luxardo cherry. Luxardo cherry is the best thing on the planet. Taste was consistent. I think minus the muddled orange, I think it would have been like just like a few points a little bit better. The consistency was great. It was mixed well, stirred well. I'd get another one. So we'll go 2.7. So I think I said 2.7, that's 5.4, plus 2.8, 7.4, 8.2, plus 0.9, 9.1. A lot of nines down here in Southern Virginia. Last summer, I went to Southern Virginia on the West Coast. Not too many nines, actually not too many eights. So far on this trip, I've been hitting all the spots on the East Coast of Southern Virginia. We've had a lot of nines, which is amazing. 9-1, Repeal Bourbon and Burgers, right here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys. Besides the old fashions here at Repeal, the bourbon and whiskey selection is, I mean, again, this is not a big place, so I don't even understand how they have the amount of bourbon and whiskey selection that they have. Not only do they have like a huge selection, but they have some of the rarest bourbons and whiskeys I've ever seen. George T. Stagg, Habiki 12-year, Knob Creek 2001, Michter's 10-year Rye, Pappy 15-year, Pappy 20-year, Whistlepig 15-year, Stagg Jr., Sazerac 18-year. I've never seen a bourbon, whiskey, and scotch and Japanese whiskey selection like this anywhere, let alone at a place that's, again, it's not that big. It's technically a small place.